Today I assisted to the workshop here with Sarra. It was very interesting. I learned a lot of things about LinkedIn, how to use it, how to have a better profile, and how to attract more people. So with the Wall English, with Social Club, and the workshops helps me a lot with my English and how I can communicate with others and develop my personality and to speak more fluently than before.
It was my first time learning about LinkedIn, and I'm a student. It's gonna help me in the future when I get a job, for getting a better job application.
At Wall Street English Tangier, we don't only teach English, but we equip our students with the necessary tools to become successful professionals.